Hey there, fellow travelers, ready to uncover some hidden gems around the world? You know, those places that don't always make the top 10 lists but leave you breathless with wonder? In this video, we're diving into the most underrated destinations, the kind of places that deserve a spot on your travel bucket list. We're talking about stunning landscapes, vibrant cultures, and experiences you won't find in any guidebook. So, pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and let's get started. Our first stop takes us high above Scotland to the rugged Faroe Islands, a place where dramatic cliffs plunge into the sea and colourful villages cling to the hillsides. Now you might be thinking, Faroe Islands, where in the world is that? And that's exactly why they're on our list. These 18 volcanic islands tucked away in the North Atlantic offer a raw, unspoiled beauty that's both humbling and awe-inspiring. Imagine hiking through emerald green valleys with waterfalls cascading down sheer rock faces. Picture yourself kayaking in secluded fjords surrounded by soaring seabirds. The Faroe Islands are a paradise for nature lovers, photographers, and anyone looking to escape the ordinary. The best time to visit is during the summer months, from June to August, when the weather is mild and the days are long. And getting there, well, it's an adventure in itself, usually involving a flight to Iceland and then a scenic ferry ride. Trust me, the journey is half the fun. Next, we're heading to Southeast Asia, to the enchanting town of Luang Prabang in Laos. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is like stepping back in time, with its ancient temples, saffron-robed monks, and a pace of life that's refreshingly slow. Imagine waking up at dawn to the chanting of monks, the air thick with the scent of frangipani and incense. Picture yourself strolling through bustling markets where locals sell everything from hand-woven textiles to exotic spices. And in the evening, savor the flavors of Lao cuisine. Think fragrant curries, sticky rice, and fresh spring rolls. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the majestic Quang Si Falls, a series of cascading turquoise pools where you can take a refreshing dip. Luang Prabang is best experienced at a leisurely pace, so give yourself plenty of time to soak it all in. Now, let's hop over to Italy, but not to the bustling streets of Rome or the canals of Venice. This time we're venturing south to the fascinating city of Matera, a place unlike anywhere else in Italy. Imagine a city carved into the side of a ravine, its ancient cave dwellings known as sassi seemingly clinging to the cliffs. Matera's history stretches back thousands of years, and these sassi, once home to impoverished families, have been transformed into cozy hotels, restaurants, and even churches. Take a guided tour to delve deeper into the city's fascinating past, or simply wander through the labyrinthine streets, soaking up the unique atmosphere. And for a truly unforgettable experience, consider spending a night in a sassi hotel. You'll feel like you've traveled back in time. Our journey continues north to the Baltic coast of Poland to the charming city of Gdansk. Now, Gdansk might not be on everyone's radar, but trust me, this historic port city deserves a closer look. Imagine strolling along cobblestone streets lined with colorful, gabled houses, each one seemingly more charming than the last. Explore the city's rich maritime history at the shipyards and museums, or simply soak up the vibrant atmosphere of the old town with its bustling markets and street performers. And speaking of markets, don't leave Gdansk without trying some traditional Polish pierogi, delicious dumplings filled with savory or sweet fillings. Gdansk is a city that often gets overlooked, but its blend of history, culture, and affordability makes it a true hidden gem. Our final stop takes us to South America, to the high-altitude city of Salta in Argentina. Nestled in the foothills of the Andes Mountains, Salta is a city of breathtaking scenery, vibrant culture, and adventure around every corner. Imagine yourself surrounded by towering peaks, their snow-capped summits piercing the brilliant blue sky. Picture yourself exploring the rugged landscapes of the Quebrada de Humahuaca, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with its colorful rock formations and traditional Andean villages. Salta is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, with opportunities for hiking, trekking, horseback riding, and even whitewater rafting. And if you're lucky enough to be there during a festival, be prepared for a colorful celebration of music, dance, and traditional costumes. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible destinations that are just waiting to be explored. From the rugged beauty of the Faroe Islands to the vibrant culture of Salta, these underrated gems offer something for every kind of traveler. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your next adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels.